What's the worst reason you hooked up with someone? I met a woman on Tinder, and we had a few good dates, but there was no spark for me. I told her I'd rather be friends, and she agreed, at least at first. A couple weeks later, we ran into each other at a bar, and she admitted she still had feelings. I politely let her down again, and she walked away in tears. About a week later, we bumped into each other again at the same bar. I was drunk, she was sober. Out of nowhere, she said, "My therapist told me I should have sleep with you." I jokingly said, "Well, who am I to argue with a professional?" A cab showed up and we went back to my place. We finished, she stayed the night, and I never heard from her again. I was too embarrassed to reach out,